Good morning, my people. Happy New Week to everyone. I'm not happy at all. I'm not happy. What is happening is 3 days now. But our lovely brother, MC Okobo. Why are we like this? Why? We cannot just carry good news for once. Let us carry good news for once, please. This is 2021. Let's carry good news for once. I know many people will say, which one be your own for a side? I dey vex. For all of una. Make I use PG, anything wey I like. I dey vex for all of una. E no good. This person, dey celebrate birthday every year. As a picture take fly for 24 hours now, e never fly like that. Who put am for story, who share am Instagram everywhere, RIP. Why not like RIP? I don't understand what una dey gain for this RIP when I dey pull for person picture with the person pass out. Now this say if una come put am, come share am, people come say they go say this person like this person. No, show that person love when he dey alive. No be when he don't go, you come dey show am love for picture. That one na witchcraft now, my brothers and sisters. Now witchcraft. You go get many friends for your Facebook, for your Instagram, for your anywhere una like. All the social media one they follow me. I only follow Facebook and Instagram. My Instagram not the every day because I not to understand the Instagram. I know they follow that one. Me, I make myself example. I get 3,000 plus for my Facebook friends follow they follow me. I post something. Hardly I get 1,000 comments on my picture. Like him, now you forget. Monitoring spirit, they could follow you. They follow you. They don't like. If you know they like person picture, you don't like the picture. Why are you following the person? I don't understand now. Why you they follow him? I think it was around 11 to 12 midnight. Another kind of time. I never sleep on Saturday. When I enter Facebook before I sleep, I also say, I say, since I did Facebook now, hey, my brother, oh, I can't believe that you're the right. I can't. I felt look and say, this will not be true. This cannot be true. I pass that one home. I'm not write anything. Because I give me and put RIP or something for Percy picture because I know when that person was alive, maybe I've never commented happy birthday. I never wish him or her happy birthday. So it's so sad when I see people die young. Me, I feel so sad for them. I feel pain. You think maybe that person close to me? No, it's not close to me, but it's the way I feel. It's too early for that person to go. It's too young. I just feel so sad. It's so painful. I passed that one. I see the other one. I said, I get angry. I was just angry in me. Oh, the anger, the brain, all the boy for my belly. That is the second one. The third one, I see. I go through the comment. I see somebody write, what happened to him? You know what he reply? Now so we see him, God go punish you. What do you see? Now so you see him, you come put am for Facebook. You don't even know what happened to am. You just carry a picture, come write RIP, say rest in peace, my brother. Hey, you know where you for go see that news say he don't die. You know go there go see say every year this person they do birthday. Me you come they share am, me you come they post and say my brothers and sisters wanna help me celebrate my actor, my superstar. Whether you know go see person wey go celebrate am for you. Somebody write say what happened to him? You want reply and he say na so we see him. Abeg, make we change for this character what we dey do. This is 2021. Every monitoring spirit wey dey monitoring me for my Facebook, I post, you know they like, you know they share. I use God beg you, comot yourself for my wall before I block you myself, or I friend you myself. I no get time. Nobody go drop me back this year. Me, I don't know where they go. This is 2021. I'm going to somewhere. I'm headed to somewhere. God will take me there by the grace of God. Please, all this una witchcraft, una they do for this media, so una stop am for this year. I use God beg una. Celebrate people. Celebrate them. Even though na your enemy, celebrate them. Bible says celebrate your enemy. Celebrate them. I not too know Bible like that for quote for una. Celebrate. No be when the person don go, na that's why you wan come dey celebrate the picture. They send you come. You be witch. I no understand una. I use God beg all of una. I use God beg all of una. All those witchcraft people wey dey do this kind of thing. You people should stop it. It's not good. This is the high time for someone to tell you people this truth. Please, try and celebrate somebody. Try and celebrate people when they are alive. Please, no be when they don't come out. They are no more. You will never see them forever. It's gone and it's gone forever. You will never see that person. And now you can't put a picture. It's good. Say una say he died. But my concern is that when this person dey alive, see, you don't tell when I don't see this MC Okoborish. Me say I say don't say how see picture just fly once. I never sure say that it don't reach 1 hour where that man pass away. Where Facebook catch fire for una. See, I'm ashamed of you people. I'm ashamed of you. You people to change, please. Okay? Change is not good. Change. They like. If they follow person, like, appreciate them, celebrate them. This is now one life they live. If today finish, it's gone and it's gone forever. It will never come back again. Never. Today we will do so. If you don't, when it's 12, it's gone. This day will never return. Never. Please, let's learn to celebrate people. And one thing, if you are my follower, I don't know how they call them, or you be my friend for Facebook, you don't like what I post, you don't comment on my picture, please, I beg you in the name of God, leave my platform, leave my page for me. I just go beg you, because me, people where they follow, I they like that, I go comment that, even though you know sabi right, that is why the people who create the platform put that, how do they call them, emoji, that all those emoji, they don't write the thing down. Just see it in your eye, just put it there. If you can't write, they make it easy for everybody. If you don't know how to write, just go there, go to the emoji, just put it. Maybe when the person don't go, you can say, oh, it's very sad. Oh, I'm very, oh, not be you for go now. Somebody tell me my eyes, and my tears, Tears of what? Tears of witchcraft. Please, my brothers and sisters, you people should stop this nonsense you are doing. This is 2021. When I don't carry and come, I don't want to see you now. Where my platform day, I don't want to see this kind of witchcraft. Holy Ghost fire and I go feel. And I beg you again, you they follow me, you be my friend for Facebook, Instagram. Now let that two again. You know they like what you are. Just like you know they like. I use God beg you, come on. What do you mean they do? I notice people know they like. So people always see they follow me. If I see say I they always comment for this person picture I they like, I can't notice you know they do the same to me. I see your picture, I go pass you. I will pass you. I no go still like. You find pass me? You don't find pass me now. When I teach person how to eat. No be say you take how they talk am. Wait, no, sorry for that. No, they give them food. Teach them how to fish so that they can able to fish for themselves. Why munoma, why sioma, wakpa yekenoma jere, why pa, wakiene nemi, ege no walao, wakpa, wage magunle, a platform, maybe my destiny helper can just come there. If you are there, you know, see chance they come. Please, this is what I want to live. I just go beg una. You people should stop this rubbish. Thank you.